Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Salin Sewing Tutorial. So today we'll be making this beautiful gown you can see on the screen. So I've gone ahead to take my total length of my client, and the total length of my client is 62 inches. So I added an extra 3 inches for joining at the shoulder and for hemming allowance at the down part. So we'll go ahead with our measurement. So I'm starting from this line right now. So I'll take our shoulder measurement. Our shoulder measurement is 18 inches divided by 2, we have 9 inches. So this is the 9 inches here. Then I'll take a sleeve length as 12.5 inches. I left this 1 inches out because the back of this dress is going to have a zipper. So I'm cutting this out from the front so that this 1 inches will act as the zipper allowance when I'm cutting the back part. So from this 1 inches is kind of like a butterfly dress, but at the hip line it is fitted. So I will take all our vertical measurements. So from the tip of the fabric, our underbust is 15.5 inches. Our waistline is 18 inches. Our hip line, like I said, count 8 inches from the half length. You get the hip line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm using 26 inches, 0.5 as our hip line. So I'll start the measurement from here. So our hip is 53 inches. 53 inches divided by 4, we have 13.25 inch. So I'll rule my 13.25 inch here. So from the hip line, I'm going to come down with 2.5 inches. Let me just say 2.5 inches. Then this measurement I have here, I'm going to put it back at this 2.5 inches, which is 13.25 inch. So this is it. So this is going to be the butterfly. So from here, I'm going to draw a curve line to meet with this 2.5 inches I came down with, just like this. So I'm just going to curve it. So this is it. So it's just going to be like this. So from this hip line, I'm going to put whatever I have at the down part. So 13.25 inches. Then you're going to work in your sewing allowance into it. So I'm adding an extra 2 inch for sewing allowance. Also, I'll add 2 inch here for sewing allowance, and I'll connect this line to this line. So what I'm going to do, from the back of the dress, I'm going to join it from this part. So I'm cutting it this way. So I'm going to join it from this part. Then this front is going to be the butterfly shape. So the neckline, will go and work on our neckline. So the neckline depth, I'm using a total of 5 inches for our neckline opening. Then for the depth, I'm using 5 inches. So I'm using 5 by 5 inches. So, but the standard measurement, I'm going to take my 3 inches opening so that I'm going to connect from this place the 1 inches down to the 3 inches. So this is it. So I'm going to draw the curve from this 5 inches to meet with this one. So this is it. Then for the slant, I'm just going to use this as my shoulder slant, which is 1.5 inches. So I'm just going to use this and connect to the 1 inches that I have. So I'll cut this out, then I'll use this front to cut the back. So I've gone ahead to cut both the back now. So this is the front part of it, and this is the back part. You can see the 1 inch space I left here. So this is for my zipper allowance. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and cut facing for this, for the back and the front parts. So this is the facing for the front, and this is the facing for the back. So next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this to my sewing machine. Then I'm going to turn the facing with the fabric on both sides. Then I'll join the shoulder together. So guys, I've gone ahead to turn my neckline with my facing, and I also joined the shoulder together. Then as for the back part, I pinned where I will be adding my zipper with a pin. Then I closed it from where my zipper will stop down to this place. So it has a slit, but it's a closed slit. So I added a piece of fabric Yeah, this is it. So for easy movement. So what I'm going to do next now, this curved area, I'm going to turn it with a bias tape. So I'm just going to use this bias tape to turn it over, sew it from the right side to the wrong side. Then after turning both sides, and I'll stop at where it's ended here. So I'm going to flip it over to the wrong side and close the wrong side from the hip line down to the end of the dress. Then I'll come back and show you the next step to take. So guys, I'm done closing the hip side of this dress, and this is the side that I turned with a bias. You can see same thing the way it's showing at the front and the back. So next, what I'm going to do, if you see, if you've noticed that this place is still open, so we're going to close it. So I'll start taking the bust measurements of my client and a waist measurement. Then I'll take it and connect it down to this place. So I will sew it from the right side. So this place will be like an half butterfly. So I'll sew it and connect it down to the hip line. So guys, if you have watched my video to this point and you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do it to subscribe and turn on your post notification to get notified whenever I post new sewing tutorials. So I'll go ahead to mark my bust points and my bust measurements and my waist measurements and connect it down to the hip line, then fix the zipper, and I will put this on the mannequin for us to see what it looks like. So guys, this is the end of our sewing tutorial, and this is how our gown looks. You can see, so this is the side and this is how it looks. So I'll see you all in my next sewing tutorial. Bye.